This is the Champion RK-41C-075 atmospheric vacuum breaker and gasket for the 3/4 atmospheric vacuum breakers. Now, a couple things to notice about the cap itself is here up at the top, we'll have the size embroidered right here at the top, which in this case is the 3/4. It's also going to have your max pressure rating, which is rated to 150 psi, and then your max temperature rating, which is rated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the gasket is going to be right here at the base of the male threads, which is just that red fiber O-ring or gasket there. Now, starting with a couple dimensions, we are going to start with an inner diameter here at the threads. Get as close as I can, and that's going to be right at about 7/8 on inner diameter. And then outer, we're going to be right at about 1.25 inches. And then outer diameter across the top of the cap, we're going to be right at 2 inches. And we can also get a total height. I'm going to measure from the top of the cap all the way to the longest point, which is going to be that little stem poking out right there. And it's not going to be perfect, but it looks to be right at about 1.125 inches, maybe a little less. And once again, this is the Champion RK-41C-075 atmospheric cap for the 3/4 inch atmospheric vacuum breakers.